Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with the tune-up report for Paul in Washington on the RCI-2995DX CF. Paul, got ready to go for you, bud. Our tune alignment, voltage regulator upgrade. Got your amp on off switch right here on the back for you, so you can cruise a low drive amp if you want. Nice bright white LEDs in this 95. And we've got your mic ready to go, and also adapter for other microphones, and a mic cord extension, all sold on the website. Let's get right to it. I'm going to turn the RF power all the way down. 100 watt slug. So you got you about 3 watts all the way down, just in case you decide to run that 6 or 8 pill or something, you have full adjustability. 60 watts all the way up. I'm going to show you average power swing. Hello. About 88, maybe 90 bird. 250 watt slug in PEP. Hello. 175 on the money. Let's roll it all the way down to a measly 2 watts. Hello. Still 175. Roll over here to sideband. Hello, 1 2, hello, 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 1 2, 1 2, hello, audio. A good 140, maybe 145. All right, Paul, it's ready to make that long trip to the northwest corner. I appreciate it and your patience. We've been very busy over here, me, myself, and I hope you enjoy it. Your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump, bump.